Okay, the next example is what is the product of x plus 5 over 7x minus 21 multiplied by 14x over x squared plus 3x minus 10. So I'm gonna have a working solution on the left side. I'm gonna factor each of the term there. So x plus 5, we know that x is already in simplified form. That's why x plus 5 is in simplified form. It's also x plus 5. Next, you have 7x minus 21. 7x, the factor of 7x are 7 times x. Negative 21, you have to factor negative 21 in such a way that one of the factor is 7. So negative 21 is 7 times 3. So you have a common there, which is 7. Sorry, it's negative 3. And then bring down x and negative 3, since there is no common between x and negative 3. So this is 7x minus 3. Next, I'm going to have 14x. 14x is 7 times 2x, or 7 times 2 times x. So multiplied by 7 times 2x over, next is x squared plus 3x minus 10. So find the factors of negative 10. Factors of negative 10 that will give us sum of 3. And that is negative positive 5 times negative 3. The sum is, positive 5 and negative 2. So this is 3. In other words, x squared plus 3x minus 10 is equal to x plus 5, x minus 2. So this is x plus 5, x minus 2. And then you look at if you can cancel out something there that has a common factor, say for example x plus 5 and x plus 5. Students, you can only cancel out or divide when the other is numerator and its common is in denominator, or denominator and numerator. You cannot cancel out when they are both numerator and both denominator. So 7 can be cancelled out as well. So I have 1 here. Numerator times numerator, so 1 times 2x. That is going to be 2x over x minus 3, x minus 2. So this is now the final answer. So you try to answer practice exercises number 2.